We discovered for both of us that compassion is a ground pillar for a harmonious relationship, and also especially in these recent times where the social connection has become so challenging, compassion can really offer a path of inner freedom.
Yeah, so compassion is not really an option, as the Dalai Lama was saying, it is a necessity. That means that if we don't really decide its choice to open our heart and to live from that space of the heart, we, we will simply live a life of contraction and bitterness. So we have the choice, and for this we will discover new tools all together, like nonviolence communication, like centering practices with yoga and meditation, especially from the Buddhist tradition, also Hridaya meditation. There will be a powerful ritual with Gesine.
Yeah, we will learn or we get to know Tada, the goddess of compassion. We will offer rituals to her and invite her grace into our life.
Yes, and we will also try to understand, even though compassion is starting in the heart and is a radiation of the heart, sometimes it's necessary to understand how we work as a human, what are our patterns. For this we will work also with the tool of Enneagram and other essential lights that can simply help us to open our eyes and see, I don't need to stay stuck in that space, and I can forgive and I can love people that were hurting me. So this is a path of learning how to soften, how to open, how to care for each other, and ultimately just celebrate life as a joy, and yeah, celebrating this connection together.
So we welcome you to join this weekend, the Heart of Compassion. We are very much looking forward to welcome you into this group setting again, sharing this love, growing together, connecting, and yeah, bringing more compassion into our lives, for each other, for ourselves.
So welcome.